Ungqongqoshe ehhovisi likamengameli uMondli Gungubele uthi kuningi osekwenzekile nanokuthi kusekhona okunye okufanele kwenziwe. Kunomthetho sivivinya okufanele ubukezwe ukuze kulungiswe ezinye izinto ezingahambanga kahle.
We can confirm some of the work done to date, which includes, amongst others, the following. A draft bill to amend the Military Veterans Act to deal with some of the discrepancies in the bill, such as the definition of the military veteran, provisions of healthcare benefits to the dependents of the military veterans, and means test criteria. Second bullet, the review of the Special Pensions Act, the development of the pensions policy, work around the presidential pardons and expungement of criminal records on some of the members, social relief of distress and the housing for their members.
Kube wathi iphini likamengameli weze uDavid Mabuza waba nomhlangano yomakadebona bezempi kanye nohulumeni wezifundazwe ukubheka inqubekela phambili ezinye izinhlelo.
The engagement between government and the military associations have thus far been productive and cordial, even though discussions have been difficult.
Gungubele uthi ngokubona kwabo bese ngekho sizatha leli qembu senze ngendlela abenze ngayo.
In our view, there was no reason for this group to act in an unlawful manner as it transpired last night.
Ungqongqoshe zokuvikela uThandi Modise ephendule ngezokuphepha kombuso kulelizwe emva kokuthunjwa kwabo uphendule kwathi
I am sure that people will think about a state is weak because no, I don't think we should go there. We should say that we are very proud as South Africa to engage, to sit amongst our communities and amongst our military vets without thinking they would kill us. We did not feel that our lives were in danger. We were unhappy about being refused to leave when the meeting clearly had aborted. We do not think that any citizen, whether they had volunteered to fight for the liberation of this country, has any right to interfere with any individual, whether that individual is a minister or an ordinary citizen's right to sit or to walk or to do whatever. We were not ashamed, we were not threatened, we were just uncomfortable with being held against our will.
Amaphoyisa bopha umakadebona bezempi abangama-56 abasola ngokuthumba ungqongqoshe zokuvikela kanye nephini lakhe ehotela eSt George se-Irena izolo ebusuku. Ngomsombuluko omakadebona bezempi bangena ngendlovu yangena ekomkhulu le-ANC iLuthuli House eGoli. Umakadebona bezempi bebefuna ukukhuluma nomengameli uCyril Ramaphosa.
Kusenjalo ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa ubheka icele uphawulile ngesigameko sayizolo wancoma amaphoyisa ngomsebenzi awenzile.
It was a long night. The meeting started at 5. At 7, the ministers and the deputy realized that we're not going anywhere, and then they wanted to go consult so that they mobilize the people that they wanted, which happened to be deputy president at this time. Is when the trouble started, when they blocked the ministers leaving the house, and then we could not then have really stomach that. And then it became clear when they refused the ministers, including Minister Modise, to use the ablution facilities. Right there, they stopped her going to the toilet. So we realized, I phoned the ministers there. I couldn't find two, a deputy minister and minister of defense. I found Minister Gungubele. Unfortunately, as I was speaking to him, they cut him off. Then I realized it's a problem. Then we sent the negotiators. We failed, and then the police came in and did the job. Took the ministers out, arrested everybody. No shot was fired. We were working with the National Commission. No shot was fired. Nobody got injured.